staying healthy and not having to eat your vegetables anymore. If you'd like to hear about that product, stay tuned. What's up, everybody? This is Ryan from No Limits Fitness Coaching. I hope everybody's doing great out there. This week, I wanted to talk to you about a product that is going to help you to get to all of your fitness goals, maintain your health, and be able to really make sure you're on the fast track to getting your results. So the product that I am talking about today and kind of have been taking for the last couple weeks is Rebalance by FNX or FNX. This company reached out to me to see if I wanted to try some of their products and give it a try. This is the one that I chose to really start with this company. The reason being, if you guys know me, you know that I don't really take supplements anymore. I take some protein, but that's about it. And it has to do a lot with my general health. I had liver failure about a year ago, a little over a year ago. If you'd like to hear about how I got liver failure and how you can stay away from having the same thing happen to you, go ahead and click the link right here. I've got a whole video on what happened to me and how to make sure that you're being safe with the supplements that you take as well. But back to this product. The reason I chose this is it's a green product, a greens product. I'm sure a lot of us have tried to have maybe powdered greens. It helps us to not have to get as many vegetables on a daily basis. It helps us at least to try to meet that daily requirement of vegetable intake, the greens that we all need to take. We know we should for our health, not necessarily for fitness, even though I would argue being healthy will make you get fit, put on muscle, and lose fat at the same time. So we all want to be healthy, make sure that our bodies are working the way that they should. That's exactly what this product is meant to do. It helps us to be able to get in that intake of vegetables or daily greens that we all should be doing. But let's be honest, you're probably not. I wasn't. To be honest, I hate vegetables. Like, there's very few that I really like to do. I'll have them in a salad or something, but I mean, broccoli, carrots, celery, I don't really include that stuff. But it probably is important. We keep hearing that it is. And that's why I chose to do this. Now, you've probably, or maybe you have or haven't, tried greens drinks before. Super greens like this. They're usually disgusting. You can definitely tell you're drinking vegetables, basically. So it's really still hard to get those vegetables in or those greens in if you hate the taste of the drink that you're substituting them for. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to tell you it tastes like candy. It's not going to taste like some BCAA drink out there with amazing flavor. But this one, which the flavor on it is Unicorn Punch. Not sure what that means, but maybe somebody out in FNX can let us know what's in this. But the flavor, it's pretty doggone good. I've been drinking it once a day, one serving a day, which is just a really small scoop. It is green. It will turn the drink, the liquid that you have, green. Don't let that scare you, though. It is pretty sweet. It still has a sweet flavor. It's like a punch flavor to it. Small aftertaste of a little bit of greens. It's really not that bad, especially after you drink it maybe the first 2 times. You really hardly even taste it. I would actually have this more often. You can do it once or twice a day is probably the recommended dosage. I mean, if you had it 3-4 times a day, it's not going to hurt you. I'm not going to go super in depth on what is in this product. I encourage you to click the link down below and check out the product for yourself. I will talk a little bit about why I enjoy it, why I think it's beneficial for us though. Now, the ingredients in this thing, it's got a number of different greens in the blend. So it's got barley grass juice, alfalfa grass juice, kamut grass juice, oat grass juice, and wheat grass juice. All of them in a powdered form, obviously. But it's got all those things. It looks like 3 grams per serving of all of that blend. When I looked into in detail what each of these things do, the health benefits are really pretty outstanding. The one that stood out to me the most was the barley grass juice. The barley grass juice can actually help your liver function. For me, that's a huge thing. But really, I would argue that for everybody, having a healthy liver is going to help you in your fitness goals really well. It helps to flush out the lymph. It helps to get rid of that junk that can build up, which can then cause you pain in your joints and in your muscles. Huge benefit. If you can get the liver to function properly and get rid of that lymph, those, empty out the lymph nodes, you're on track to be able to work out hard on a regular basis. A healthy liver means really a healthy body and being able to function in the daily activities that we want to be able to do. That's the one that stood out to me. Now, all of these other ingredients have huge benefits. There's some benefits for the kidneys, for digestion. Digestion is a huge one. If you want those nutrients to really get to the places that they should, you have to be taking some of these supplements or some of these vegetables or greens in your diet. They're all superfoods that really can help us, can benefit us. So, like I said, I've been taking this for about 2 weeks now, every single day. The benefits I've noticed, it's not something you're going to feel overnight. But what I will say that I have seen is my digestion is on point. I don't know how in depth you want me to go about digestion. I mean, let me just say it's working really well. And that's really the benefit that I've seen a lot of. Because my digestion is working so well, I'm functioning well. I feel really good. I haven't had joint pain in a while. I'm doing a lot of exercising, so I don't know how much that plays into it. But trust me when I say the benefits are definitely there. You will feel a difference after a few weeks of taking this. This is a product that I would say, again, you're not going to go out and be able to bench press 50 pounds more or do a workout faster than ever. This is a supplement that is going to be helping you long term, making it so you can stay in the game for much, much longer, keeping you healthy and keeping you active. I'm super happy about this product, and really it's gotten me to be a little bit more ambitious about the company itself. Talking about FNX itself, really, so all of their products, they come from the GMP lab or company, which means that their production has been certified as clean and it's using clean practices. Again, if you watch my video talking about my liver failure, you're going to understand why that's so important. Supplement companies are not always forthcoming, honest. Let's be real here. They lie quite often. They don't tell the truth about what's in their products. If they've got some sort of certification like this is probably the least one that I would make sure that your companies that you're going for have at least the GMP certification. Just going to start with that, which this does. And everything that I've researched about this company, really I'm pretty happy about starting to work with them. It's really early, but I will say I'm pretty happy. One of the things that they do though, and I highly recommend you checking this out on their website. There is a link down below. They have been donating to charities So every dollar that they make, a percentage of it, pretty decent percentage of it, goes towards a charity. Pretty nice charity as well. Something that is needed. It's for clean drinking water, for kids that don't have it. We can't function without that, and we all need it. They donate to make sure that these kids have healthy drinking water in countries all around the world that just don't have it available to them. They're making sure that these gallons and gallons and gallons of water are being donated to the people that need them. That's pretty big. If you find a company that is doing something like that, you can trust going forward that whatever's in their protein, whatever's in their Rebalance drink, their greens drink, pre-workout, whatever it is probably going to be high quality. It's going to, you know that their products are going to be high quality. You know that the company is going to have your back when it comes to putting quality up front and honesty up front. So I just want to say I think it's pretty awesome of them to be doing those kinds of things. Seems like a fairly new company, but still really genuinely good. I'm going to keep trying their products. Again, I don't take a lot of supplements, and I will never take many supplements, really. This is something that it's a health conscious thing. It's going to help me in the long run, so I am doing that. I will probably talk about some of their other products as well in the future, just so you guys can kind of know how this company is and if you should check them out as well. So I definitely give this a recommendation. I recommend this to all of you guys. Go check it out. They did hook me up with a discount code for any of you guys that want to try it. So I think it's a 15% discount if you enter through the link down below, or I will also include the coupon code down there as well. You can use that, enter that at checkout, and 15% off their products. Give it a grab. It'll last you, I think, 30 days, depending on how often you take it. You will enjoy it. Hopefully you guys found this of benefit, and hopefully you guys check the company out as too. I think you'll like them. Hope you found this video beneficial. If you did, hit the thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Also subscribe. Hit the bell notification. I release these videos twice a week. And we just want to help you guys get the most benefit you can out of any fitness program you're doing. Also, give me a comment down below for anything that you guys would like to see me cover. Fully certified personal trainer, and I'd love to give you advice on how you can get to your goals, whether it's weight loss, muscle gain, whatever it is. I want to help you. So give me a comment down below of the things that you're struggling with. And guys, girls, I will see you later.